Are you not entertained? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know, it's obvious, I just got back from Sports Clips. But anyways, today is one of my favorite days of any build. That's right after paint, because we get to start slapping parts on this thing, and that's pretty much where you see all the tedious work pay off. So we're going to start really easy. We're going to start with the front end. We're going to throw the bumper on. I don't remember how it came off, but it looks pretty easy as far as how it goes back on. So let me throw this camera down, stop talking, turn some music on, and we'll time-lapse this. I don't see it taking long. All right, there we go. Front end is on. So it's gonna go back, throw some washers behind here, but other than that, I'm good with it. Next up, fender flares. All right, we're ready to install the flares. I got a little impatient, as you can see. I threw on the headlight bezels, I threw on the radiator supports, I threw on some directionals, threw on my hood hinges, threw on my window hinges. What else? Gas cap, rear lights, and I did this only because I had lost the specialty Allen head nuts and bolts for the fender flares. But I found them, so I'm gonna go turn my music up, turn you guys on fast forward, and you can watch me install one of these. All right, I am not unhappy with that. Think she looks pretty good. So now I'm going to repeat this process 3 more times. Well, I think I'm going to call it a night here. Got a couple things to do inside the house, but overall it's starting to look like a vehicle. The game plan tomorrow is Raptor line the inside. Maybe I'll tape it up tomorrow. I don't want to risk tape sticking to it. But overall, it is looking like a Jeep. Undecided. I don't know if I want to get black Jeep or gray. I'm going to do a little Wrangler here and then Jeep there. Black or gray. I don't know. I better figure it out quick, so I'm going to order those tonight. So yeah, I'm very happy with the progress. Like I said, this is my favorite part, when you get to slam everything together. Just gives you a really good sense of accomplishment. So let's see what tomorrow brings. We're back the next day here. Just got home from work. As you can see, we got her all taped up, ready to spray. Now we got to spray the inside. We have to spray this rear bumper here. And we got a few little pieces outside we got to spray. So if you're asking me what these splatter shields are for here, well, that's exactly it. So I don't splatter shit 10 feet across the garage when I spray. So we're all taped up. We're going to start mixing. And the most important thing I could tell you about Raptor liner, in my experience, do not let the wife catch you with her Dyson in the garage, because she will not be happy, because I have been caught before. So I'm going to vacuum this out really, really quick. Wife should be home any minute. Not worried about her finding out because she doesn't watch my videos. So let's get to this. All right, just got done spraying about 15 minutes ago. Got the gun all clean. And this whole tub, now I only did one thick coat. I was dealing with a dark base anyway, so I didn't really have to cover much. I took 2 cans. I was able to do the entire tub. I got the entire rear bumper. And I even got the tire carrier over here and the little antenna mast. So, yeah, I'm going to go through. This stuff dries pretty quick. It's been about 15 minutes, and I'm going to start detaping it because you can see it's not even coming up with my finger. So, I'm going to detape it. And in the meantime, guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. This is a nice short video. Just wanted to update you guys on where we're at. And next video, I think we're going to be... Oh, we got to get to the windshield and the seats. So, that should be fun. So, catch you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and get off the couch and get in the garage. And get something done. All right, everybody grab some sandpaper. We have a new project coming up.